Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get paid instant payouts in Stripe. Okay, first things first, to get started, you'll need to be on the Stripe website. If you are not already there, navigate to the Stripe dashboard and you can find this in the top right corner of the website. Once you are in the Stripe dashboard, locate and click on Settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear or cogwheel icon. Next, within the settings, scroll down a bit until you see the section titled Bank Accounts and Currencies. Now, let's focus on the payout schedule option. Stripe allows you to customize how often you receive payouts. You can set this to daily if you want to receive payouts every day. However, please note that instant payouts may not be available to everyone right away. To be eligible for instant payouts, you typically need to meet specific criteria. These criteria might include having at least $5,000 worth of sales and having your Stripe account open for a certain period, usually around 60 days. So, once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can select Instant Payout. With this option enabled, as soon as you make a sale, the funds will be instantly sent to your account. This can make managing your finances and cash flow much more convenient just for you. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now get paid instant payouts in Stripe. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!